Wow, what an absolutely stunning bob makeover. I love the amount of volume that this has. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have someone going from long to short hair. The stylist cuts off those ponytails. Shapes up the hair. Looks like she's going to be getting a curly pixie style with this one. Wow, I love her natural hair texture. And this curly pixie style looks amazing. So full. Very nice. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have someone rocking out a pixie undercut style with a design. And she's simply going to be heading to the barber and getting a nice little touch up. So if you are a woman and you like to wear your hair short, you might want to check out getting your hair done by a barber. They will do amazing work. They're used to working with shorter styles. Perfect for if you are looking to get an undercut or some type of faded cut design. Next up, we have someone with a grown out pixie. And they're going to be getting a nice little cut refresh here. Beautiful pixie shape and texture. And she has a lot of hair to play around with the length that she was able to get with this cut. Beautiful face framing bangs, very nice haircut. So here we have someone with a beautiful pixie. She's in the salon getting a cut refresh. beautiful. This is a nice classic 90s inspired pixie. So for those of you who already have a pixie haircut, if you're looking for some styling ideas, here we have someone rocking out this gorgeous white pixie, and she's simply adding a braid to her hair. Such a cute, fun way to wear your pixie. Just spice things up a little bit and add a little something different. And then we see someone wearing this really pretty pixie bob hairstyle. I love the dramatic angle on this. So fresh and modern. And then we see someone else rocking a pixie. She does have a little bit of a wave going with this style. This is more of like that slicked back pixie look that's really starting to trend on TikTok. Another great option for mixing up your everyday pixie looks. So here we have another beautiful pixie style. This one features the very popular asymmetrical shape. Followed by a pixie with an undercut, beautiful shaven sides and back. And then we once again see a pixie style with the shaven back and nape area. Design going there on the side. And this would be another cute style to try out if you are going to a barber. So nice and modern. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these beautiful hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.